Best Modern Kitchen Design Ideas 2023. Top kitchen remodeling ideas to take your kitchen to the next level. Don't go anywhere. Just keep watching. Let's go. Kitchens are a source of family meals, comfort, and togetherness, a place for gathering and enjoyment. Thanks to modern design innovations, a kitchen can be both comfortable and beautiful, functional, and welcoming. Our best kitchen design will give you inspiration for your own kitchen makeover. Whatever layout you have, these kitchen decorating ideas will help you remodel your decor and features for style, function, and flair in the heart of your home. Make a splash. Updating your cooking and food prepare area with tile black splash is a visually appealing, functional, and long-lasting design choice. It allows plenty of room your own creativity to shine through. If you opt for subway tile, you can even design your own pattern that harmonies with the look you want. Open up and update. Opt for open shelves instead of upper cabinet to provide display space and make a small kitchen feel larger. Install shelves as standard upper cabinet height. The lower shelf should be approximately 18 inches above the counter. Countertop flair. You might be surprised by how much new countertops impact kitchen designs. For example, a white and gray solid surface countertop is considered beautiful enough to serve as focal point for your entire kitchen. Upgrade your appliances. Replacing appliances with quality, Energy Star certificate molds is an easy way to make big changes and save money. In the long run, you can also opt for panel-ready appliances that blend in seamlessly with your cabinetry to make your small kitchen look brighter. Panel-ready appliances like refrigerator, dishwashers, wine coolers, warming drawer, and more come on function ready to be personalized. Though the kitchen remodeling idea can come with a higher price tag, the cost might just be worth its build to kitchen of your dreams. Paint date kitchen cabinets. With a little work and a few basic DIY skills, you can brighten a large or small kitchen design with fresh paint and new cabinet hardware. For a clean, sophisticated look, consider natural tones or bright shade of white. Add a kitchen island. From dining to dish to comfy styling, islands are for much more than preparing food these days. To make your island more functional and versatile, consider incorporating sink, no matter your needs or the size of your kitchen. There's an island for you. Make a nook cozy. Is there an unused corner in your kitchen? A great home improvement idea is turning this space into cozy breakfast nook, complete with branches and small table. Banquet seating is perfect for a quick meal or snugging up with a book and warm drink. Make your kitchen dining bench even more comfortable and functional by including cushion, a few fluffy pillows, an extra storage space pillow, plus eye-catching colors and patterns in your dining nook will make it a great fastening point in your eating kitchen. Focus on flooring. If a total kitchen transformation is what you are after, it's time to redo your flooring. Many choices are available nowadays. If you're looking for a durable, easy to clean option and love the traditional appeal of hardwoods, consider wood look alternative such as vinyl or the grease-glass ceramic style, which can also be used for a features wall or backsplash. If you'd like to warm up the look kitchen, include runner rugs in your prepare area or an area rug under your kitchen table. There are a wide variety of colors and patterns to choose for to keep things stain resistant and easy to clean. Try using outdoor rug that you can simply hop outside or put it washing machine. Read the instructions for the care of your outdoor rug carefully before cleaning. If you're on your field long periods in the kitchen, consider an anti-fatigue kitchen mat that will provide comfortable cushion between you and hard flooring. Modernize your hardware. An easy kitchen renovation idea is replacing hardware like cabinet handles, drawer, knobs, foxes, and light switches to make your kitchen feel brand new without breaking the bank. Choose classic hardware like brass or nickel knobs, or add industrial age with copper, wood, or mixed metal cabinet pulls. Or if you're meaning a sleek and modern kitchen cabinet, forget the handles and steel touch lens system. Don't forget kitchen lighting. Though it might seem like small detail, replacing light fixture is a great idea to give your kitchen a brand new look. Pendant lights, wall-mounted sconces, and track lighting are all easy ways to create focal points and set the mood in your kitchen. However, it's also important to include tasks. Lighting for function, like including resin light for a warm under cabinet, a glue and night. Mix different lighting types to add another light to the interest in your kitchen. Your kitchen design and match your hardware material to create a cozy look. In the end, please tell us what you think about this video in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the bottom chair, share this video with your friends, inspire them, and subscribe us if you haven't already to watch new interesting videos. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.